guys! Today I'm making one of my favorite date night dinners, scallops with brown butter sauce. Now, my ex-husband first introduced this dish to me. Whenever he made it, I thought maybe this really is the man for me. It is that good. The brown sugar butter sauce got me every time. Alas, he and I weren't meant to be, but these scallops have stood the test of time. With that being said, let's get cooking. There's about 10 to 15 minutes of ingredient prep that you can take care of any time of day or right as you're cooking the evening meal. For me, I like to set it aside in the refrigerator ahead of time. So here I'm just slicing up some light green cabbage. You'll just need half a head, and it looks like a lot, but it will wilt down quite a bit in the pan when we cook it later. Next comes the butter. There's a full stick, and you'll separate it into 2 tablespoons for the first part and 6 tablespoons for the second part. Here's the yummy brown sugar. You'll need 2 tablespoons packed in tight. Now here's an ingredient, capers, that some people love and some people hate. I adore capers, so I add 2 tablespoons, but you can just add 1 tablespoon if it's not your favorite. Apple cider vinegar is a critical part of this dish. You'll need 3 tablespoons. It adds such a zing. I love it in this dish. Another critical ingredient is golden raisins. You'll need a 1/4 cup of these. Okay, ingredient prep is done. Now it's time to add 2 tablespoons of butter to your pan over medium-high. Once your butter melts, add that brown sugar and stir it around for about 1 minute until it turns golden brown. Next, add your light green cabbage. Give it a good stir with that brown sugar butter. Then you'll cover the pan and let the cabbage wilt for about 5 minutes. Next comes your 1 cup of chicken broth. Cover again and cook for another 15 minutes. While you're waiting for your cabbage to simmer, it's the perfect time to grab yourself a beverage. It's also the perfect time to subscribe to my channel, The Cozy Introvert. Okay, back to work. After 15 minutes of simmering, uncover the pan and give that cabbage a good stir again. Now we're going to transfer the cabbage to a casserole dish. Be sure to spread it out evenly. Then set it aside for a few minutes as we work on our next step. Let's put together our butter sauce now. We'll use the remaining 6 tablespoons of butter and melt that over medium heat. Our scallops are finally making an appearance. Now we're going to dab a little bit of that melted butter over the scallops. Here I'm using bay scallops because that's what was available, but sea scallops is what is called for in this recipe. Next, we'll season our scallops with a bit of salt and pepper. It's time to get these scallops nestled in with that beautiful cabbage. In a preheated oven set to broil, you'll bake the scallops for 5 to 7 minutes. While the scallops are broiling, you'll add your capers and your golden raisins to your butter sauce. Don't forget that apple cider vinegar. Finally, you'll add a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. Then you want to stir that all up over low heat for 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes and the scallops are ready to come out. Let's put this all together now. Start out with a couple scoops of your cabbage and scallops. Then add in that brown butter sauce with the capers and plump golden raisins. Oh, that looks good. Serve with a side of mashed potatoes and you are all set. All right, you guys, our brown sugar butter scallops are ready. She's looking gorgeous. I cannot wait for this first bite. Gotta get a little bit of the cabbage and the plump golden raisins, the capers, that buttery sauce. That is absolutely delicious. This is a perfect date night dinner, or just make it for yourself if you're treating yourself. Brown sugar butter scallops, make it this weekend. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking video. Can't wait to cook some more. If you're enjoying these videos, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.